Boost your reading speed, mastering the pacer technique. Hello, language learners. Today, we're going to focus on an extremely useful skill, increasing your reading speed. How, you ask? By mastering the use of a tool called a pacer. You might be wondering, what is a pacer? And how can it help me read faster? Stay tuned, because we're about to dive into that. A pacer is a simple tool that aids in reading. It could be your finger, a pen, a ruler, or even a bookmark. The idea is to use it as a guide to follow the lines you're reading on a page. By keeping your focus on the pacer, it minimizes distractions, improves focus, and thereby enhances your reading speed. Firstly, find a comfortable reading position. Pick up your chosen pacer and place it under the first line of the text. As you read, move your pacer smoothly from left to right, or right to left, if you're reading languages written in that manner. The speed of the movement should match your reading speed. But here's the trick. You gradually increase the speed of the pacer to push your reading speed. The best way to improve is through practice. Here are a few exercises to try. 1. Pacer drills. Start with a comfortable reading pace. Then, gradually increase the speed at which you move your pacer across the lines. Don't worry if you can't comprehend everything. The goal here is to train your eyes to keep up with the pacer's speed. 2. Timed reading. Choose a passage and time yourself as you read it using the pacer. Repeat the exercise, each time trying to decrease the time it takes to finish reading. 3. Pacers with chunking. This is when you read a group of words at once, rather than one word at a time. You can use your pacer to underline larger groups of words, training your eyes to read and understand them as a whole. Why use a pacer? Well, the benefits are numerous. 1. Increased reading speed. As we've mentioned, a pacer helps you push your reading speed. 2. Better focus. It minimizes distractions and keeps your eyes on track. 3. Improved comprehension. Over time, your comprehension at higher speeds can improve as your brain adapts to processing information faster. 4. Reduced eye fatigue. A pacer can help reduce the strain on your eyes as it prevents them from needless movement and regression. We hope this video helps you understand how to use a pacer to improve your reading speed and fluency. Like any other skill, it requires practice, but once you've got the hang of it, you'll notice your reading skills soar. So grab a book, pick up your pacer, and get started. Happy reading!